Friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Defense Career Academy. This is Shashikant Badakh, and today we will going to discuss about chapter number 1, distributional map, state board. You have studied district, state and country maps in the earlier classes in environmental study and geography. So, in this video we are going to discuss about the distributional map and see the what is the distributional map. So, mainly we use distributional map to locate the things or the distribution of variables. Means the main aim of map is to show the location of a place and distribution of variables. Means mostly distributional map used to show the location of any place or distribution of variables like population and distribution of cattle like that. Okay. Let us see what is mean by the thematic maps. Some maps prepared with special themes, such maps are called thematic maps. So, here स्पेशल थीम्स, जो भी मैप स्पेशल थीम्स से प्रिपेयर किए जाते हैं उसमें कुछ स्पेशल थीम्स होते हैं. सपोज पॉपुलेशन, वी वांट टू शो द पॉपुलेशन डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन और वी वांट टू शो द cattle distribution or the rainfall and temperature, likewise means something special. So, these maps known as the thematics map. So, this map we can see student, this map distribution of this map into the three types. One of that dot method, we can show the these variables by dot methods. Here we are using the dot to show the distribution of population or distribution of cattle or like that. Then again here is the second method, choropleth method. With the help of color, with the help of tint, here also we show the various things, various variables here. Okay. Then third one, isopleth method. Here is also the with the help of iso line we can show distribution of rainfall, distribution of temperature. Okay. See, first of all we will going to discuss about the dot method. So, what is the dot method? A dot method is prepared using the statistical data gathering through counting. Means this method using the statistical data means we need to collect the data through counting, and with the help of dot we will going to use here. And the dot method is more suitable to show the distribution of variables. Which variables? Like here you can see the population, cattle, etc. Just we recently I told you, which is freely scattered through the region. And see the population or the cattle, suppose we can consider any region, suppose Aurangabad district. So, the population of Aurangabad or the cattle distribution of Aurangabad is freely scattered in the Aurangabad district or any other district or the region. Okay. See, what here we are going to see how we have to prepare or how we have to show the variables with the help of dot method. So, for this method the value of dot has to be determined by taking the lowest and the highest value of the given variables in the region into consideration. So, here you can see students, the lowest or highest means the minimum value and the maximum value. You can see students here, one is minimum value here and the maximum value is 100 here. Here is the United States watermarks in the United States 2009 watermarks एक United States में companies है जिसका distribution यहाँ पे show किया with the help of dot map. So, here you can see the one dot single dot or the see the size of this dot also varies here. So, here this dot shows the 100 watermarks in the that particular region. So, the first the number of dots to be given for the value of each variable in each sub administrative unit need to be decided. Number of dots to be given from the value of each variables, also the density of the variable and the scale of the map. So, while preparing the dot map, you need to just consider the things like a scale and the density of variables, and after that you have to prepare the dot maps. Okay. Here students, so the following precaution should be taken while using the dot method for a map. So, what precaution we need to follow? So, first one is the size of a dot should be uniform. तो जो भी डॉट्स होते हैं आपके उसकी साइज जो होती है वो यूनिफॉर्म होनी चाहिए, उसमें चेंजेस नहीं आना चाहिए. सो दिस इज द फर्स्ट प्रिकॉशन you should follow it. Then second, the distribution of physiography, water sources, transport system, etc. of a region should be considered while placing dot on a map. So, here the second precaution we have to just consider the physiography, means suppose we want to distribution show the population distribution. So just need to see वहाँ पे mountains है या नहीं है, वहाँ की फिजियोग्राफी कैसी है. तो ऐसा ना हो जाए कि हम माउंटेन्स पे वहाँ पे डॉट ये कर प्लेस करें, लोकेट करें, तो इट नॉट प्रॉपरली. सो while putting the dots you have to consider the physiography there. So, avoid the mountainous region. Okay. Then see the water sources also, we need to also avoid the river bodies, lakes, water sources also we have to avoid. Then transportation system means roads, then highways, then the railway track, railway stations, even the airports also we have to avoid while putting the dots. Okay. Number 3, while showing the population distribution, rural population is shown by dots and circle are used to show urban population. Here important while putting the while showing the rural population, we have to just show it shows by the dots, and if you want to show the urban population we have to use the circle. You know very well the urban population is high than the rural population. So, rural population shown by the dots, whereas the urban population shown by the circle. Okay. Here is Amravati district population of distribution has been given here. Here just students you can see each dot represent the 10,000 population, and here you can see the city population shown by the circle. So, here this circle shows the 50,000 population, 1 lakh, 2 lakh population and the 5 lakh population. So, we will see the Amravati district population. See Amravati district population show here, this circle shows the 5 lakh population. Then see the Achalpur's population, it is one here, this circle you can see here. So, it shows the 1 lakh population. Then see the Varud population, Varud city's population is 50,000 population, means see here this circle shows the 50,000 population, and each dot shows the 10,000 population. Okay. Then Anjanga Surji also shows the 50,000 population. Okay. Then one more important thing you have to observe here, Chikaldara has the spray population here, means by seeing this map you can just identify the Amravati cities or Amravati having the high density of population, and the Chikaldara has a spray population density. See the dots very sprayly locate here. Okay. So, hope students you understood all that things regarding the dot method. In the next video, we will going to see the choropleth method. If you are having any doubt, any query, comments below. I will catch you. I will solve you all your problems. So till then, thank you very much.